Okay, so how this works is basically you've got the signal split into multiple bands, and then each one of these is mapped to a delay. The delays it, pretty simple, yeah. But then you've also got these shapers, which adjust the curve because the delay time, it's not linear. It like goes faster the higher the value is. So I just adjusted it to make it a bit easier to work with. And also you've got this max thing, which adjusts the depth and offset here to change the max value of the maximum value that the delay time can go to. So yeah, this is actually my second attempt, because this is gonna explain why I used this plugin here, because I really wanted to make this with Ableton stock plugins only, but the problem with that is multiband dynamics, EQ8, pretty much, not pretty much, like everything in Ableton just is not linear phase, and so this is why this does that, and we don't want that. So I searched like far and wide to like find different ways to get linear phase working in Ableton with stock stuff, and it's just not possible, unfortunately. But I just ended up using ZL equalizer because it's free and it's got a linear phase option here. These band settings, where they're split, I copied them from multiband delay just because it's like easier. Because you don't want to lay these bands out linearly. That's what I did for this first one, and it just does not sound great. It just needs more resolution in the low end, and it's just, you just don't lay out the spectrum linearly. The frequency spectrum is just a weird thing to do. Yeah. Honestly, that's pretty much it. This whole thing was inspired by this thing I saw. Which is also a remake of Multiband Delay, but as a VST plugin, as an actual VST plugin. And yeah, definitely go check this guy out because he's got some really cool plugin stuff. And this is like one of those things. Yeah. Right. One problem that this version has is you'll hear it does change the sound like a tiny bit. That's because these filter shapes, they don't add up to the same value. It like makes a tiny peak, I'm pretty sure here, but it's not that noticeable. And there are ways to do this that don't have that, but I'll be honest, I spent way too much on this, and it's like way too much time on this, and it's like such a tiny change that it's just not worth it. I mean, if any of you guys want to change it, they'll download this in the description. Yeah, have fun.